Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is backyard border landscaping ideas. Creating an attractive backyard border can enhance the overall look and feel of your outdoor space. Here are some landscaping ideas for backyard borders. Number one is flower beds. Plant colorful flower in organized beds along the border. Consider using a mix of flowers and annuals to ensure year-round blooms. You can create a cohesive theme or mix various flower types for a diverse and vibrant display. Raised garden beds. Build raised garden beds along the border to grow herb, vegetable, or small shrubs. This adds depth to your landscape and makes it easier to maintain. Pathways. Create a pathway along the border using stepping stones, gravel, or pavers. This not only adds a functional element but also defines the border and guides visitors through this space. So, privacy screen. Plant a privacy screen or install a privacy screen made of tall plants or fencing to create a natural barrier between your yard and neighboring properties. Rock garden. Arrange a selection of rock and boulders in an aesthetically pleasing manner to create a rock garden. Add some drought resistant plant among the rocks for a low maintainer borders water feature. Incorporate a small pond, waterfall, or a decorative fountain near the border to add a soothing and calming element to your backyard. Trellis and vines. Install trellises along the border and grow climbing vines such as jasmine or honeysuckle. They will not only add a greenery but also provide some shade and privacy. Edible border. Create a border using edible plants